What if I told you you're just one decision away from changing your life for the rest of your life and going from this to this? My name is Geraldo and I teach brand mastery to young entrepreneurs and content creators based on biblical principles. And I've helped hundreds, if not thousands, exactly like you. So, subscribe and smash that like button if today's video on how to audit your personal brand in under 15 minutes helped you out. Let's get right to it. Step number 1 is the first place most people go when they want to know who someone is and what they've done in their life. Google. I would like you guys to type out your name in Google and see just what comes up. Is it your LinkedIn, your Instagram, Facebook, maybe you have a YouTube channel or a school community. Whatever it is that pops up, that is the immediate first thing that people see about you and your first impression that people gather when they go search your name on the internet. Make sure that is in line with what it is that you want to tell people about who you are. Step number 2, the people who spend the most time with you, aka your friends, would oftentimes be the best sources to find out exactly what your brand is. So go to your friends and ask them to describe you in one word. What is the one word that they would use to describe your actions, your values, and be open. Be able to take in what they say, whatever it may be, and use that to your advantage, to upgrade yourself. If it's not the brand that you want people to know, and the story that is stuck in other people's mind about you. Step number 3, social media. The number 2 place, or oftentimes the number 1 place, it depends on person, that people go to see who exactly is this person or business that I am doing dealings with. And so I want you guys to scroll through your social media, the last 10 posts, and see exactly what it is that those posts say about you. And whatever it is, be open. Allow yourself to reflect on whatever it is. Whatever the story is that those 10 posts tell about you. Is it what you would like them to tell about you? Or will you now take actionable steps to change the narrative and create posts that'll tell other people, this is what I stand for, this is the direction that I want to walk in and what I want to achieve, and this is what I'm doing and have done to walk this road and achieve it. Proverbs 22 verse 1 says that a good name is more preferable than great riches. And so your name, your reputation, using the 3 steps that I just gave you can audit it and upgrade it or adjust it according to what it is that you want to tell other people about you, what you stand for, what direction you're going in. So take 15 minutes today and audit yourself, audit your brand, and in the next video I'll give you 3 questions to ask yourself to see the brand that you might not even have known that you have. So subscribe, smash that like button if this video helped you out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.